Hello, my lovely Capricorn. Welcome to my channel, Sharks to Dot. Guys, I heartily welcome each and everybody here over this particular channel. And this particular read is all about Cappy's you versus them. Where, yes, you're gonna start with your particular side of cards, then your person's particular side of cards, and then the mutual cards would be there. These are general readings, guys, so make sure about it. Try to take what resonates with you, people, and obviously leave the rest. If these general readings are really, really resonating, feel free to take the personal reading as well. And I think it has been a huge help for the people who have taken the personal reading. You should come up and take. And secondly, I have to say that try to watch this reading till the end, guys, because at the end I have given some kind of declaration and information to you people for some things. I hope that you're gonna see that information and get some kind of idea about it, and it might be beneficial for you people. Okay, now I have to start here with the reading, Cappies. First, the cards on your part we have is the Five of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Cups. Gently, though, clouds are really like sounding amazing. I think I just love the sounds. They have a huge thunder. See? That is worth listening. Okay, we have Five of Cups, Hierophant, Eight of Cups. Cappies, I have to say one thing. First of all, to begin this reading here, there is a lot of sadness. You're really walking away from a true commitment, from a marriage material person. Genuinely, I won't lie or deny with that. But there is some kind of sadness on losing that person, and then you think and you believe that you should walk away from that person just because you feel that no, it's not worth staying with them. Okay, I have to say this because Cappies, I don't exactly have to say that you people are denying this commitment, but there is some sort of thing where this commitment is coming towards you, but you are looking back. You're just not looking towards them. Every offers, you are just throwing them out of your ways and not looking at them. Why, I don't know. It's important to talk to yourself. Your person's path, they get the Magician, Three of Swords, Death. My god, this individual is manifesting something which is really hurting them, badly hurting them. They're in immense pain, guys, and it's might be that you are their reason, and that is the reason both of you think that no, we should not continue, because just because you people being addicted to each other, you cannot play that love role among each other, which is so much difficult, I feel. you know and it's really important to end things. You believe in ending things, you want to end things. Specifically, your person wants it. They were manifesting you, might be you or something which gave them too much of heartbreaks. They're not ready to trust you again, and they feel that they are just leaving that place. In fact, you are also leaving, and they are also leaving. They are thinking like they should end their life either by doing something which could prove bad or wrong, but ending all over. Mutuals, Four of Pentacles, Temperance. I feel this thing that a lot of jealousy was a factor in between your relationships, and you couldn't trust each other. There was a lot of misunderstanding, trust issues among you and your particular person. That was also a reason where you could not, you failed to struggle actually. You're taking things very slow. You don't know how exactly or how particularly you want things to grow with, but there is some kind of no idea about it, definitely. This is what I'm having, Capricorns, for you people. I hope that this reading is resonating with you all. I hope you are liking this reading. Do like, do comment, do subscribe to my channel, everyone. And thank you so very much for watching this reading till here. For the declaration which I wanted to give it here was that we are giving a true and a big discount and offers at personal readings. Any kind of queries, any questions, anything, you are all gonna get your answers at a very concessional rate. So please do not wait for this. Hurry up and come up and take and talk with your queries, so that it becomes easy for you to tackle with your life and with your love life and with everything in general as well. Secondly, I have to say this thing that our agency, we have produced an oil. This particular oil is really really effective for a lot of hair and a lot of people. Anybody who is struggling with their hair issues, or this, you can like buy this oil for your children as well if you have, and try to make the hair base at a very strong position so that in future they do not regret by taking or talking about their hairs. The discount on the oil here is we are giving two bottles of oil at almost the price of one bottle, and it's like almost kind of, and we are also gonna give you a special gift with this particular purchase. So everybody like boost up and come up and order your things so that really really you could use it, you could utilize it, and it is really gonna help your hairs. You are gonna love the results, guys, because a lot of people have given us reviews regarding it, and that is the reason I've coming up here to tell you people that anybody who is wanting to grab this offer can come up and grab it. Thank you so very much. Have to do it from the tarotshark@gmail.com given the description box. Come up, ask everything over there. Thank you.